All right, inhale your arms up. Little spooky vibes today. Exhale your arms out. Bring your feet together. And we're gonna start a grapevine. Here we go. Hup. We're gonna add a little turn next time we come here. Keep it going. Make this step big. Turn it out. Hup. What? Turn it out. Hold it here. Take your feet out. Hup. Shoulders. Do it again. Yeah, cross and turn. Like this. Boo. Boo. Hup. Cross. What? Hey. Right here. Hit it. Heel. Heel. Hold and run. Hup. We're gonna go back into that grapevine. Hup. Turn it out. One more. Back to those feet. Hup. Shoulders. Cross it. Hup. Turn it out. Kick. Hup. Run. Run away from those ghosts. One more time. Grapevine. Hup. Ow! You don't have to turn if you don't want to. You don't have to do anything you don't want to, right? Hup. Hey, pick up the phone and call. What? Boo! Burpees, down. Do it again. One more. I lied. We got one more. What? Grapevine. Hup. Feet out. Hup. Turn it. We're gonna do those burpees again. Are you ready? Let's go. Then we groove. Hey. Yeah. Last one, run. One more of these. We're gonna go into those heel kicks. Hup. Grapevine. Hup. Turn it out. Ghostbusters. Keep it going. One more. Heel kicks. Hup. Yeah, I ain't afraid of no ghosts. All right, take it up. Right here. I love this song. It's so fun. Left, right, center. We're going to do this 4 times. What? Hands on your heart. Swing those hips. 1, 2, 3. Pony, back. 1, 2, 3. Take it forward. Now pony. Do it again. Stay low. It's like you're creeping in, right? Hands on your heart because you're in love. We're going to kick it. Up. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, to the back. Hands on your heart. So now you get to see it from behind, right? Hup. Right hand up. Left, right, center. Do it again. Yes, you girls are killing it. Yes, yes. Last one, hands on your heart. What? Pony. and you just got your creepy claws out. Sneak in. Hey, you're in love. What are you gonna do about it? We're gonna kick it. Hop. Hop. If you don't get that at first, don't you worry, because we didn't get it at first either. We're gonna put that together after this bridge, okay? You got 4 of these. Go to 2. Singles. What? But I love it. You make me crazy, but I love it. You're crazy. Hands on your heart. We're gonna put it together right here. 2 of these. Pony back, sneak. Roll those hips. We're gonna do that again. You got it, you got it. We're gonna hit it. Shake it. Thank you. Yeah. Okay, this is your last cardio song, okay? This is it. We've made it. So can you go like this? Now watch right here. Out, jump, up, jump, push. Like this. We're haunting you. We're gonna do that same thing again. You don't have to jump, okay? Modify if you need to. The scary face and the scary arms, you gotta do those though, right? Shake it back. Frankenstein. We're gonna kick it. Hop. I did the wrong foot. Hop. Jump. Kick. What? They're dancing. Single, single, double. You're gonna scream. Kick. Take it out. Stay low. Did you guys know that these girls barely knew these before we started? They're doing so awesome, and so are you. Yes. Last one. Hop. Ow! Again. Hop. Underneath the moonlight. Yes. Frankenstein move. Are you ready? Kick it. Hup. Kick. Yeah, it's like a disco party. Single, single, double. Scream. Right here. They're coming to get you. Right here. Make it a little lower. Are you a monster? Go slow. It's like you're alive for the first time. Don't skip this part. You gotta crawl. Frankenstein. Are you ready? That's a hard one to catch. I warned these girls about that. Single, single, double. Groove it. Hup, right here. Now right here. They're coming to get ya. Hey.